Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lockpicking. Well, today I received a package and it came from Dark Arts. I did a video on the package opening. But anyways, he sent, in the package sent a 410 master lock. And I thought, well, you know me, I can't keep my hands off of them, so here's the bidding on the key. And I thought, well, I'm going to try to pick this open today and see how I do. It's been a while since I've picked one of these master LOTO locks. And if I get this open, I'll go ahead and post it for Pocket Woman's LOTO Lock Tuesday. And see if we can get in this guy. Get it at the right angle, I guess. I forgot to put the key in and so it's locked up and all that good stuff. Okay, start all over. Okay, here we go again. Okay, go back a little click out of 6. And you got a little click out of 4 and felt like a little fault set going on. I haven't picked one of these, I don't know, since the last time I put one on my channel, I guess. And they're a lot of fun. I received some from Pocket Woman, and then after I picked them on my channel, I sent them on their way. I did a couple Avis. Those aren't as fun though. I think the Masters are a lot more fun because of the spools in them. It's talking to me now. There might be something right there. I don't believe it. I got it. Well, there we go, guys. Been a while, but they're just as fun. I better close that up so it don't get turned crazy on me. Well, thank you again, Dark Arts, for sending this on over. And I'm going to probably send this on to the next person, see how they do. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Have a good Tuesday. Bye-bye.